So for the next couple of examples, we're going to use a different endpoint. We're going to use this endpoint that returns a list of players for a certain team. And so what we're going to do is that we're going to call the endpoint, and then we just want to extract, for example, the name of the player that has a certain jersey number. So let's see how we can do that in Rest Assured. Let's write a new test. And we'll call this extract single value with find. So let's first write our response code so that we can just query this API. Now let's just copy the endpoint that we need. This is the endpoint that we're going to call. And we're going to hold the player's name in a string. So we'll say string certain player. And then we're going to take the response again, call path, Rest Assured's path on it again. And inside the brackets we need to write our GPath expression. So we're going to take all of the player's nodes and we're going to do a find on those. And then in the curly braces we write our expression. So we're going to say for each object, look for the jersey number. Make sure that it's equal to with double equals, and say 20. And then from that result, we want to take the player's name. So let's talk through that quickly. So again, if we go back to Postman, we say we want to take all of the players, so every player in this array. And then we want to do a find on each player, and then we're looking for the object, the it object, so each of the players, and we're looking at the jersey number. So each one has a different jersey number, and we're looking for the one that equals to number 20. And then when we find that, then we take the name of the player from that object. So if we found the jersey number 20 here, and then we want to extract the name of the player that's within this object. Let's print that out and we'll run the test. The test passes okay and we extract the player's name that we expected, Sergio Romero. Let's have a look at another example where we might want to find, for example, all of the players that had a jersey number greater than a certain number. Greater than 10, for example. So if we said extract, we'll extract them all into a list because there'll be multiple values. Extract list of values, and to do this we use a find all. So last time we just used a find. A find will just find a single value. A find all will find multiple values for us. So we're going to take the same response that we used last time. Just give us some more space here. Oops, copy that again. And so this time we're going to specify a list of type string, and we'll call it player names equals, and we take our response again, take our path, and we write our expression here. So again, we're going to be looking at the players node, and in there, instead of doing a find, we'll do a find all, and we look this time for, we take the it special word, and we look for each object their jersey number, and this time we want it to be greater than 10. And again, we just extract the name of each player that we want to, of each object that we're going to extract from. And let's just print that out. So let's talk through again quickly what we're doing. So we're going through each player that's in this array, each object, and then Rest Assured is using GPath to see if the jersey number is greater than 10, and if it is, then it extracts the name of that player into our list. Let's run this test. Oops, got to say syntax error here. It's just an extra character that I don't want. Let me take that out. Try that again. And so here you can see we've extracted all of the players that have jersey number greater than 10. So there's a couple of examples of GPath JSON with find and findAll. Okay, I'll see you in the next lecture.